dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I am 37. I've lost around 78 pounds on keto. The scale can be quite the enemy sometimes. I've got 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That is a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube universe and to the recommended. So like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. This is the part in the video where I show you what I am eating for lunch. For breakfast, I have coffee. This morning I had Bones coffee. That is a lie. I did not have Bones coffee this morning. I had the Hostess Ding Dong coffee. Oh my goodness. I didn't even think about it when I was drinking it. It tastes really good. But did it taste like a ding dong? I can't remember. Because I was just thinking automatically that it was Bones coffee. So now I've ruined that flavor. I don't get to experience it again. I need to find them and buy them so I can experience it again. I did still have, no I didn't. I also had my this is horrible. Okay, so I'm lying to you. So I had my hot coffee, the Ding Dong. That sounds so weird. I also had a cold brew. I have to sneeze again. I also had a cold brew. This was the caramel flavored from Aldi brand. I made cold brew out of that. So I had coffee for breakfast. In the cold brew, all I put was a little bit of coconut skinny syrup. That's it. For lunch, I'm doing keto chow again today. This is root beer. I am also using the walnut oil again. And it is thicker today. I didn't use any water in it. I just used complete almond milk. I don't know how walnut's gonna taste in root beer, but we'll try. Tastes fine. I don't even taste a walnut. It just tastes like the root beer. Yep. Just tastes like root beer. I do not taste a walnut flavor at all. So that's good. All right. Well, I'm going to drink my keto chow. I don't really have much to say today. Not much going on. I don't know what's for dinner. We have the rest of the hamburger meat to cook. Maybe we'll just do taco salad because I still have some of the lettuce and then I have all the hamburger meat. And then, I mean, I need to use up the lettuce since it's already shredded. That's what we'll probably have. So, yeah, I think I have everything. Maybe I might have to get some sour cream because we are a sour cream family. We love sour cream. So, I'm going to reply to some comments, drink my keto chow, enjoy my small lunch break, and I will see you guys after work. Bye. All right, hey guys, I know that I look like a drowned rat right now, but I just had to take a shower as soon as I got home pretty much. So what I did is I got home, I was like, you know what, it's a beautiful day outside. I'm gonna take Link for a walk. And he did not lean against the dishwasher. Last time I did that, I made it leak. So I'm like, I'm gonna take Link for a walk. So I take him for a walk, everything's going great, we're on our way home. He stops to smell something, he's smelling it. Then he like lays down and does a barrel roll. The boy rolled in some dog dew, okay? All over the side of his face, down his back, on his legs. I had to drag him home, drag him straight upstairs. I couldn't do anything before because he's covered in it. Get him in the bathtub, have Tiffany feed him treats. So thank you again for those treats because they really came in handy. And he hates baths, but he was very good. He sat there and he ate his treats. She broke them up into tiny little itty bitty pieces and fed them to him. And he just sat there and ate them, and I got him all cleaned up. Now he looks like a drowned rat. So then I was like, well, now I have to shower. So I showered. Then I got my package because somebody had won who was, I think Misty had won one of Aaron's coffee giveaways and she didn't like coffee, or she had too much coffee or something. So Aaron picked again and I won. So I picked none other than Frankenbones. And I got 2 of the full-size bags. That's exciting. That's my favorite. That and the macadamia so far I think are my favorite. And I've tried a good amount. But yes. Yes. Love it. And if you haven't tried Bones yet and you want to try, and if you think that maybe that they're like flavored with sugar or they have carbs, no, it's just regular coffee grounds. They're just flavored with, like, they use oils and stuff to flavor them. I've looked into it. They don't have any hidden sugars or anything like that into it. They are good. So I definitely recommend them. And you can also, it's like a referral program. So you sign up with your email address using my link. I get 500 points or something like that, and then you in turn get $5 off of your first order. Then you can create your own link as well and then give that to people. So if you haven't done it, highly recommend it. I got my roommate's payment for half of the month, so I need to go to the ATM, deposit that, pull out my share of the money for Tiffany's fundraiser. I gotta send that to her, with her to school tomorrow. That's due. And I need to stop at the store and get some sour cream and something to drink because I'm not in the mood to drink water. I want like a pop. I don't know. But yeah, so that's what I'm off to do. Already cooking up the Bones cold brew in the cold brew maker. I don't have an ice maker or anything. We never have enough ice, so I just brew this into this and then just put the pitcher straight into the refrigerator and it's cold the next day. And that is a ton of grease in this. This must have been like 70 something, 75% fat. I don't know, but this is my taco meat. Alright guys, I'm ending the vlog. This is dinner. Taco salad. There is half of an avocado, 1 slice of tomato, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, about a tablespoon of shredded cheddar cheese, and a teaspoon of Taco Bell mild sauce. That is it. And it has some pork rinds. Bye guys.